Want to unlock a secret menu on your Samsung phone that grants you superpowers? Let's dive into enabling developer options. First, locate the Settings app on your phone. It usually looks like a gear or cog icon. Give it a tap. Scroll down, down, down almost to the very bottom. See About Phone. Tap on that. It might also say About Device depending on your phone's software version. Now, look for software information within the About Phone menu and tap on it. This is where the magic starts. Here's the key: find the build number. This is what we're going to tap repeatedly 7 times to be exact. It may feel a little silly, but trust me, keep tapping. With each tap, you'll see a message appear at the bottom, counting down the steps until you become a developer. Keep tapping until you see developer mode has been enabled. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and bam! A brand new option appears: Developer Options. Tap on Developer Options to explore a treasure trove of settings for debugging, performance tweaks, and advanced configurations. Be careful while exploring, as changing certain settings can affect how your phone operates. And there you have it. You've successfully unlocked developer options on your Samsung phone. Now you can explore all those hidden settings and customize your phone like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.